Hello children, today we will be discussing about how digestion takes place in humans. Okay, we will be discussing about all the 5 main processes. First we will start with the alimentary canal, then the digestive glands associated with it, then how exactly the digestion takes place in the alimentary canal. Then we will be dealing with the absorption in the small intestine, and then finally assimilation. So in this diagram given children, you can see how the food passes from the mouth and then to the food pipe, then to liver, then to stomach and pancreas, where your dilute hydrochloric acid, bile juice, pancreatic juice is added up to make the food easily digestible. Then it moves to the highly coiled structure, which is 7.5 meters in length, called the small intestine. And from there, the absorbed food passes. The absorbed food is being taken up by the body cells and tissues, and then finally the undigested food passes on to the large intestine, which is inverted U shape, and then it passes on to rectum, and then from there through a small opening called anus, the undigested food comes out of the body. The digestion system of humans include all the organs responsible for the intake of food, its digestion, absorption, assimilation, and the removal of the undigested waste. It consists of alimentary canal and its associated glands. Now children, we come to alimentary canal. In the given picture children, you can see from the mouth till the stomach region, you can see a yellow colored long tube-like structure which is known as the esophagus. It consists of a long continuous tube extended from the mouth till the anus, and your alimentary canal is 9 meters in length. It has different parts modified for the special functions like your ingestion, digestion, absorption, and egestion. Now in this picture children, you can see the various digestive glands. There are many glands present in the lining of the stomach and the intestine, and there are 3 main associated digestive glands which secrete the juice into the alimentary canal. Now these glands are the salivary gland present in the mouth, the liver present in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side, and the pancreas, which is just located below the stomach. The salivary glands are three pairs, that is 6 in number, and the function of the salivary gland is to break the starch into sugar. The liver, which secretes the bile juice, it is present in the upper part of the abdomen, and its function is to break down the fats. And the pancreas, which secretes the pancreatic juice, present just below the stomach, it breaks down the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. As we knew that proteins are broken down into peptides, and fats and amino acid into fatty acids and glycerol. Now how digestion takes place in the alimentary canal. The food contains carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. These are simplified in different parts of the alimentary canal. Carbohydrate is simplified to simple sugar in the mouth and small intestine. Protein is simplified into peptides and amino acids in stomach and small intestine. Fat is simplified into fatty acids and glycerol in the small intestine. Here children, you can see how fat and fatty acids is being absorbed by the small hair-like outgrowths that are called the villi, which increases the surface area for the digestion. The picture here shows how food is being absorbed in small intestine. Most of the digested food is absorbed in the small intestine. The inner lining of the small intestine has numerous finger-like projections. They are called the villi, and the villi increases the surface area for the absorption, and each villus contains a network of thin and small blood capillaries in which the food gets absorbed. Now let us come to how assimilation takes place. See children, assimilation takes place basically in 3 steps. First, the food is being digested, and then it is passed on to the blood vessels in the circulatory system, and then the assimilation takes place in the body cells. The utilization of the food is known as assimilation. It is important to obtain the energy for the different activities of the body, and it makes the complex substances for the growth and the repair of the body. Okay, this is all and then the absorbed food, children, after gets assimilated, it passes on to the large intestine, and then from there through rectum and the anus it comes out of the body. This is all about the human digestive system, children. In the next class we discuss about how digestion takes place in grass eating animals or the herbivores. Till then, bye bye. Hope you all understood.